Friends, I am Rijo. Today we are just planning to cover the topic Windows Win32 app configuration in Microsoft Intune. So what is the learning objective today? We are planning to covering introduction of Win32 apps and Microsoft Intune management extension and process flow of Windows 32 apps. And we will do one demo of how we can deploy the Win32 apps in the Microsoft Intune portal. So we will go for our learning objective. So what is the introduction of Win32 application? You can manage and deploy and monitor Windows application Win32 apps on the devices. And Win32 apps are deployment using Microsoft Intune management extension tool, convert the application installation file into the Intune Win format. So what is meaning means when you need to deploy the Win32 application, you need the Microsoft Intune management extension tool, convert the .msi or .exe file to Intune Win format. Next, support for the detection rule, dependency and super residency. So what is the detection rule means? They will check the app presence on the device after installation, and dependency means the app relationship between the another app. Super residency super residency means you need to edit or update your applications. They will support for the Intune Win32 application. So it's support for the both architecture 32 and 64 Windows operating system architecture, and it support for the Windows S mode device also. And don't mix with the one of the main concept, don't mix with the installation of Win32 apps and line of business app during the Windows autopilot environment. The app installation might be fail. So Windows application size must be not greater than 13 GB. Your file size, the application file size below the 13 GB. So what is the prerequisite? Microsoft Intra registered, Microsoft Intra joint device, Microsoft Intra hybrid joint device, and Windows 10 version 1607 or later, unlicensed Enterprise, Pro and Education Edition. So we will go for the next slide. What is Microsoft Intune management extension tool? This tool is used for the preparation of the Windows 32 application content upload. And this tool need the license Enterprise Pro Education version. They will install it. Requirement Windows 10 version or 160 or later. And the tool will be convert the application installation file into .intune Win format. And here is the process flow. You need to start and then get media. Then validate the command for the installation and uninstallation for the Microsoft Intune management tool. After create the file will be check if the less than 13 GB the process will be completed. If more than 13 GB the process will not go into the installation. They will ask you the convert the size in the below 13 GB. Then if yes, then they will again go to the process back. If no, solution will not meet the requirement. This is the process flow of the Intune Win file. Microsoft Win32 content preparation tool zip all files and subfolder when it create the Intune Win. So what do you mean? Example, you have the source for the C test application version 1. So also the same folder you have the license or the license.txt. So both file will be make the zip as Intune Win file. So very important, don't put the files in the another folder. If you need the requirement for the application relationship between the license or something, put everything in one folder. Then you start the Microsoft Intune management extension tool to convert into Intune Win file. Okay. So Intune Win .exe guide you how we can enter the parameter. So here you can see the guidelines. First you need to place the specific source folder. So example f.notepad, that is a folder name. So specify the setup file. This is the setup file notepad plus .msc, and please specify the output folder. The output folder should be clean. So you need to create new folder, then put it to the Intune Win format to that folder. So f notepad out. So then do you want to specify the catalog? No. So this is the Intune installation tool command. So when you install the application, the Intune command will be asked you how we can convert the application into .intune Win file. Next we will check for the processing for the Intune application. First you need to select the application from the select Win application format. Then after that you need to upload your Intune Win file. Then they will give you the first they will check the application file size and everything. Then after that configuration application info, they will explain for all the information related to the application, and otherwise you need to enter the application information. Then after that the configuration, installation and uninstallation command. Then app will be the requirement for the what is the architecture and what is the processor, memory, storage you need. They all will be, you need to give the details. Then after that detection method, the detection method, two method, manual and custom. So manual method directly go to the 3-step register and file and MSI. This is the 3 method available. So you need to enter the register method, you need to enter the register edit method. And file means you need to specify the file for the installation folder, and MSI means you need to give the package ID information about the application. PowerShell means you need to create your own PowerShell script, and then after that the configuration return the code then will be created. So just we will go for the next slide. This one, Windows 32 apps lab. So what lab we are planning? We need, so we just installed the Notepad++ MSI application in the Intune portal using Windows 32 app deployment method. So we will go for our Intune now. So now we reach our Microsoft Intune portal. So what is the step we will do? We just deploy our Notepad++ application in Win32 app deployment. So just we will go for apps. Then we will select our platform, Windows. Then we will click add. Then you can choose here your app type, Win32. So here you can see Win app Win32, upload for the .intune Win format. Just select. So next we need to upload select the package. So currently we don't have the package. So we need to create the package for .intune Win format. So how we can do that one? You just go for the GitHub Microsoft Win32 content preparation tool. Then after that you just go for here and download the zip. So it will be downloaded. Then open the folder. Then extract the all. After extract, you just open that folder. Then you can see Intune Win app utility. Just double click Intune app utility. So this one we need to prepare for our Intune Win files. So how we can? Please specify the source folder. So what is our source folder? So here is the Notepad MSI application Windows installer. So this app Windows installer we need to make a Intune Win format. So Intune Windows app. So what we will do? We just copy this path. Then we just paste here. After that, please specify the setup file. So this is our setup file. Just to copy that setup file. Then give the extension MSI. After that, please specify the output folder. So output folder we need to create new folder because the folder should be empty. So we will create the new folder name plus out. Okay. Then we need to give the folder path here. So no. So now you can see Notepad plus Intune Win. So this package we need to upload in our Intune portal. So just to go there. Then we need to upload our package plus out. Okay. So now we upload our name automatic platform app version 60 point size and MAM enabled. No, just click on. So here you can need to edit. If you can edit, you can change your details here, and also you need to edit the description. You can edit the, currently I just go for the default. Here you need to enter the publisher. I just Notepad plus. Then version also you want to change. Category you need to add the category, you can select. I will just go for the product category. Here you can see show this featured app in the company portal. So you need to show this application in the company portal. If you click yes, then information you are give the information you are about your application privacy, developer, owner and not. If you need to add the logo, you can. I just go for the logo. Just go for download. Okay, then logo also we will add. Then click OK. Then after that, next step. So next step, you can see the installation command, uninstallation command. This is MSA execution command. So the app execution command. So I just give you little bit brief description, then you can easily understand. Just I will go for my slide. So here you can see installer command line option. So MSI exe means Microsoft standard installer. This one MSI format, MSI standard format. Option means there are different options. I means install, A means administrative install, X means uninstall the product. Then this one optional parameter. This one you give the application name. So here you can see the example. MSX notepad, I means install, I means install. Then this is the application file name, notepad plus.msi. Q means the option. Q means no user interface. N means no UI. So here you can see set the user interface. Once you give me this, they don't pop up your installation, unattached installation mode. So no user interaction. So we will give this one. Same like you can see the uninstall command. This is the uninstall command. You can see the uninstall the product. Then give the your package ID number, package file number. Then you can give the same QN, no user interaction. So this is the format for the MSI. So same like you can give the EXI format also. Application name .exe, example notepad plus .exe, then /s and quiet mode also you can give here as. Then also here you can give your application file folder name, then also give the /. So this is the format of the installation command. There are more format available. You can see the reference in Microsoft learning objective. So if you need to give more explanation, then go to CMD command. Then just click MSI exec/help. So here you can see the Windows installer. You can get it MSI required parameter install. You can get the same reference here. Administrative installation, advertising product, uninstall the product. You can see the command X and you can here you can go to the display option, quiet or passive or QNB, user interface level. You can give the same information, log level and update option, repair option, all you will get it. So just go through this reference, you can get it easily. So currently I just go for close application. Then I will go to now the Intune portal. So again I reach, you now understand the installation command. MSI is notepad plus msi.qn and same like a command. So how do you get the this package identification number? So I will tell you. Just to go for your before you can see the notepad application. Just install this notepad application in your system. See program file degree home notepad. Then click next. So then click S. So now the application is installed. So after that you need to open your PowerShell. Then execute the command. Just to copy this command. Then paste here. Then click enter. So here you can see notepad plus identify number. You can see here. Just to copy this one. You can go for here also. We can compare with the same. You can see the same number DD1226D656. So now you understand how to you can get the application identifier number. So this one installation time required. How many time you need to require that installation? It's 60 minutes or 1 day you can give what. If you need to 1 day, just click like this one. Currently I just go for the 60 minutes, 1 hour. Allow available installation. This option give it to the application uninstall from the company portal. If you select yes, if you select no, the user cannot be uninstalled. Select yes to provide uninstalled option. This app for user from the company portal. Select no means prevent the user from uninstall the app from the company portal. So currently I just go. This one system behavior. So where you want to install it, system base, this device, the application will be installed in the device. And any user will be login, you can get that application. If you go for the user level, the particular user, assigned user only get the application. Then the system device level, they will not get the, if any another user will be login, it's not possible to get that application. So I just go for the system level. You can see the device restart behavior. There are 4 device restart behavior. Determine behavior based on the return code. No specific action. App install may force device restart. Intune will be forced mandatory to the device restart. This one return code, the return code you can create. Just click this one, you can add the return code, whatever the code type you want, just add. So I just give the little bit brief about the device restart behavior. I just now go to the slide. Device behavior, the first determine the behavior based on the return code. You already see the return code. So here you can see hard reboot return code will be immediately trigger restart to the device. So when you look for you select for this behavior, restart behavior, they are immediately trigger about the hard reboot code. Soft reboot return code will be notify the user that restart required to finish the installation. They will notify the user. So next, no specific action. We instruct the Windows installer to prevent the automatic restart. They will not restart your device. They will prevent your automatic restart. This one, app install may force the device restart. So Windows 32 app installation is allowed to complete without a suppress. So without restart, they will install the complete application. If you trigger for hard reboot, return code will be notify the user that restart of the device will be triggered in 120 minutes. And soft return code will allow only notify the user restart is required to finish the installation. So what is the difference between this and this one? You can see here the hard reboot trigger only 1 minute, but this one, the hard reboot will be triggered immediately. So that's the difference. And next one, you can see Intune will force mandatory device restart. They will give you the option always restart device after successful for your app installation. So now you understand, after your app will be installation, this is the restart behavior. You can choose for whatever the behavior you want. Otherwise, check the product description, which application you want to install. They already describe what the restart behavior you need to choose. So now again we will go for our Intune portal. So now we will choose the device restart. App install may force to device restart. So now you need to go for the next step. Here you can for requirement, specify require the device must be before app installation. So give the operating system architecture. You can select 32 or 54. I just go for the, otherwise you can select both 32 and 54. Then minimum operating system, whatever the minimum operating system required for your application, you can select that one also. Here disk space, physical memory, minimum number of logical process, minimum CPU, that all I go for default. Whatever the application requirement, you can select everything and you can write everything. Okay. So just I will go for next section. Here is the detection rule. The config special rule detect the presence of your app. After the installation, they will check the presence of the application in your device. So what is the rule format is available? There are two rule format is available, manual and detection rule and custom detection. So we will give you a little bit brief about this format. So I just go for now our PowerPoint. So this one, the detection rule. What is the detection rule means? Select how the presence of the app will be detected. So once you install you need to check the application presence. This is a detection rule. There are two rules, manual and use a custom detection rule. Custom detection rule, you need to create your PowerShell script. So specify the PowerShell script that will be used to detect this app. So you need to create your PowerShell script and then you need to upload that. So MSI and file and registry. This is a three method is available for the manual detection rule. Here is valid MSI product code for the app. And here is the verify the based on the file folder detection. You give the date, version or size. And register means verify based on the value string, integer and version. So just I will pop up this one. So here you can see the rule type is MSI. So they will give the MSI product code. Then MSI product version check is no. So here is the file detection. You can give the rule type file and path. You give the path name of the application folder. Then you can choose any file, what's the file you need to detect, and detection method file or folder, or you can check with the version and size also available. Here you can see the register method, key path, local machine software WinRAR, and give the value, and detection method value exit. So now you understand what are the detection method is available. So we will go for our Intune portal again. So now you understand the rule format. So I just go for manual. Then I will just add our format. I will select MSI. So here you can see MSI product code is automatically coming. So if you go for the file, how to we can add this file, then give the path of this application file. So just to go for our folder notepad, go for your local. See, you can see the installation program files. Then after that, so we need to go, here is your installation folder. Just to go for C, copy that one. Then you can give here. Then you can give the file of the folder. So I will give for the file. Just to keep this one, notepad.exe. Then paste here. So now then you need to file or folder exist. So another method, date of created, string, size in NB, you can choose whatever the method you need. And you can see here, this is the one of the file method. So associated with the 32-bit app or 64-bit client, they will check for 30-bit folders. And you can see here, select S, expand any path environmental variable in 32-bit context on 64-bit client. Select no means they will defaultly to expand any path variable for 64-bit context on 64-bit client. 30-bit client always use the 30-bit context. Okay. So now we just go for only MSI level. So just MSI product version, check no. Then click OK. So now detection rule also finished. Then click next. So here is the dependency. Dependency means the software relationship between the another application. So currently Notepad have no any relationship between another application. If you have, just give it to add the dependency. So one of the most important, when you add the dependency application only support Win32 application. If you install the application in the line of business, they will not display from here. Okay. So only accept for the Windows 32 application only here. So currently dependency not available. So super residency means if you need to update or edit for your application, you can use super residency only for the maximum support of 10 update, replace and apps. So here you can give the edit and upload. Currently we don't go for this super residency. Next video I will show you how to we can do the super residency. So just to go for next. Here you need to give the assignment. There are three methods: required and available for involved device and uninstall method. So just I will go for the required. I will add my desired group. So the group is device group previously we created. Just to go for that, then select. Then after that next. Then here you whatever the information you will, all the information you will review. So currently I will review all the information. Then you just go for required. It's okay. Then just click create. So now we create the app Windows app Win32 application is created, and now the next step, application will be uploaded in the Intune portal. So it take little bit time to upload finish. We will waiting for the upload finish. So now you can see the upload in the Notepad++. So now we will show you the group where we will assign the device. So just we will go for the group. So here we app device group, then we will check the member who is the device, then member, you can go to the member, the device name you will get, the desktop fee. So just click on who is belongs to this device. Yeah, here you can see Lydia Holva is using this device. So we need to open the Lydia device and we need to check the application is installed or no. Now the Notepad application upload finish. We will just go for the application now again. So here is the application. So once the application will be installed, you can see the overview page. You can see the status and user status only. And also you can device installation status also you can see here. Device name, UPN, device platform, app version status also user information also you can see. Here is the dependency view, the software relationship view tree you can see here also. Super dependency view also you can see here. So next we check the property. You can edit your property, whatever the application details you give, you can edit all the details here, programs and requirement and detection rule, dependency and edit. So assignment method you can see here. Here you have see the more option, end user notification, availability as soon as possible, installation deadline, restart grace period, content. If you need to edit this one, you can go here, mode and end user notification, show all the notification, show notification for computer restart, hide all the, you can select that one. And also delivery optimization, content download, foreground or background, you can select. And time zone, app availability as soon as possible or specific date time, app installation date as soon as possible or specific date time. You can select whatever you want. Currently I will go for everything default previously, so just close it. So now I just go for the device Lydia. So this one Lydia Holva PC we just open. So now the device is currently, you can see here no any notepad application. Also you can check from here control panel, uninstall program. So here you can see here notepad application currently no. It take around 20 minutes. Then we will wait for the updation will be completed. Okay. So here you can see the RejoSkill software distribution downloading and installing. So now you get the notification RejoSkill software distribution notepad installed successfully. You can see here your distribution is software is successfully. Also you can see here your notepad installation also completed. So now you understand how to we can deploy your Win32 application through your Microsoft Intune portal. So now we check our application level. So just to go for Win application, you can see here the notification device status is installed one, user status also installed one. So device status is automatically which user is installed. So here you can go for the device installation status. So here you can see your device and your UPN and device platform, then app version and installed status of the details and last modified also you can get it. And user level you can also go user Lydia Holva failure 0 installed. So also you will get dependency currently not available, so their dependency not coming. So now you understand how to we can install your application Win32 format. So now I wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.